friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring for you a very quick and easy craft ideas for Women's Day. I hope you will enjoy watching them. After watching this, I'm sure you are going to surprise the amazing women around you, and I am definitely sure that they are going to love your sweet gesture for them. Please provide your feedback in the comment section below. Please keep sharing your love on us. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Stay tuned for the next DIY. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.